Bayard Rustin, a name whispered on the wind, carried by the spirit of change. He was a man of peace, a believer in equality. His voice, soft yet firm, echoed through the struggle for civil rights in America. Many know of the marches and speeches that marked this era. Yet behind the scenes, a quiet strategist worked tirelessly. This was Bayard Rustin, a master organizer, a brilliant mind, and a beacon of hope. Rustin's story is not just about fighting injustice. It's about the courage to be yourself, even when the world pushes back. It's a story of love, of resilience, and of the unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow. Bayard Rustin's journey began in Westchester, Pennsylvania in 1912. Raised by his Quaker grandparents, he learned the values of peace and equality from a young age. These values would become the cornerstones of his life's work. As a young man, Rustin witnessed the harsh realities of segregation and discrimination. He couldn't ignore the injustice around him. It sparked a fire in his heart, a yearning for a fairer world. This yearning led him to activism. He joined various organizations, lending his voice and energy to the fight for social justice. His dedication and strategic mind quickly shone through, marking the beginning of a lifelong commitment to equality. Bayard Rustin's contributions to the civil rights movement were profound. Born in 1912, Rustin grew up in a time of intense racial segregation and discrimination. Despite these challenges, he emerged as a powerful advocate for social justice and equality. His early experiences with racial prejudice shaped his lifelong commitment to fighting for the rights of African Americans and other marginalized communities. He was a key advisor to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., providing strategic guidance and support during some of the most critical moments of the civil rights movement. Rustin's deep understanding of nonviolent resistance and his ability to organize large-scale events made him an invaluable asset to Dr. King and the movement as a whole. A mentor and a friend. Their partnership was built on mutual respect and a shared vision for a more just and equitable society. Rustin's influence on Dr. King was profound, helping to shape his philosophy of nonviolent resistance and his approach to leadership. His belief in nonviolent resistance resonated deeply with Dr. King's philosophy. Rustin was a staunch advocate for peaceful protest, believing that it was the most effective way to bring about social change. He drew inspiration from the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi and applied these principles to the civil rights movement, emphasizing the importance of love, compassion, and understanding in the fight for justice. Rustin's organizational genius was unparalleled. He had an extraordinary ability to bring people together, coordinate complex logistics, and ensure that events ran smoothly. His meticulous planning and attention to detail were crucial in the success of many civil rights demonstrations and campaigns. He was the architect of the 1963 March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom, one of the largest and most significant civil rights rallies in American history. This event brought together over 250,000 people from all walks of life, united in their demand for equality and justice, a pivotal moment in the fight for equality. The March on Washington was a powerful demonstration of the strength and unity of the civil rights movement. It showcased the collective power of individuals coming together to demand change and highlighted the urgent need for social and economic justice in America. This event, where Dr. King delivered his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech, captured the hearts and minds of millions of people around the world. Dr. King's eloquent words and powerful vision for a future free of racial discrimination resonated deeply with those in attendance and with countless others who watched the speech on television. Wouldn't have been possible without Rustin's tireless efforts. Behind the scenes, Rustin worked diligently to ensure that every aspect of the event was meticulously planned and executed. His dedication and hard work were instrumental in making the March on Washington a resounding success. But Rustin's influence went beyond organizing. He was a visionary thinker who played a key role in shaping the strategic direction of the civil rights movement. His insights and ideas helped to guide the movement's efforts and ensure that its message of peace and equality reached a wide audience. He was a gifted writer, speaker, and strategist, whose eloquence and passion inspired countless individuals to join the fight for civil rights. Rustin's speeches and writings articulated the core principles of the movement and galvanized support for its goals, shaping the movement's direction and amplifying its message of peace and equality. His ability to communicate complex ideas in a clear and compelling manner helped to build a broad coalition of supporters and advance the cause of civil rights. His contributions, though often behind the scenes, were instrumental in advancing the cause of civil rights. Rustin's legacy is a testament to the power of dedication, perseverance, and the unwavering belief in the possibility of a more just and equitable world. His work continues to inspire new generations of activists and leaders who carry forward the fight for social justice. Section 4. A Courageous Heart, Living Openly in Challenging Times. Bayard Rustin was a gay man in an era when being open about one's sexuality was met with hostility and prejudice. Born in 1912, Rustin grew up in a time when societal norms were rigid and any deviation from the expected behavior was harshly judged. Despite the oppressive environment, Rustin's spirit was unyielding. He was not just a participant in the civil rights movement, he was a visionary who saw the interconnectedness of all struggles for justice. His life was a testament to the power of living one's truth, even when the world seemed determined to silence it. Yet he refused to hide who he was, embodying immense courage and challenging societal norms. Rustin's journey was not just about his sexuality, it was about his unwavering commitment to justice and equality. He believed that the fight for civil rights was incomplete without addressing all forms of discrimination, including those based on sexual orientation. His courage was not just in his public actions but in his private life as well. He lived openly, despite the personal and professional risks, and in doing so, he became a beacon of hope for many who felt marginalized and voiceless. His openness came at a cost. He faced criticism and discrimination, even from within the movement he helped build. Many of his contemporaries were not ready to accept a gay man as a leader in the fight for civil rights. This internal conflict within the movement was a reflection of the broader societal prejudices of the time. Rustin's resilience in the face of such adversity is a powerful reminder of the personal sacrifices that many activists make. He was arrested multiple times, not just for his activism, but also because of his sexuality. Each arrest was a stark reminder of the pervasive injustice he was fighting against. But Rustin remained steadfast in his belief that all forms of injustice were interconnected. He understood that the fight for racial equality could not be separated from the fight for LGBTQ+ rights, economic justice, and peace. His holistic approach to activism was ahead of its time and laid the groundwork for future movements that would adopt a more intersectional perspective. Rustin's ability to see the bigger picture and his insistence on inclusivity were instrumental in shaping the civil rights movement into a more comprehensive struggle for human rights. His unwavering commitment to both his identity and the fight for equality paved the way for future generations of activists to embrace their truths and fight for a world where everyone could live authentically and freely. Rustin's legacy is not just in the victories he helped achieve, but in the lives he touched and inspired. His story is a powerful reminder that true change often requires immense personal sacrifice and that the fight for justice is a continuous journey. Rustin's life encourages us to remain steadfast in our convictions, to embrace our identities fully, and to recognize that our struggles are interconnected. By doing so, we honor his legacy and continue the work he so passionately believed in. Section 5. The march continues: later years and legacy. Even after the height of the civil rights movement, Bayard Rustin never stopped fighting for a more just and compassionate world. His work extended far beyond the borders of the United States, touching lives and inspiring movements across the globe. Rustin's later years were marked by a relentless pursuit of justice, equality, and peace, demonstrating that his commitment to these ideals was unwavering and deeply rooted in his character. He continued to advocate for peace, economic justice, and human rights on a global scale. Rustin's influence reached international platforms where he addressed issues of apartheid in South Africa, supported the Solidarity movement in Poland, and worked tirelessly to promote democracy and human rights in various parts of the world. His global advocacy was a testament to his belief that the struggle for justice was universal and interconnected. His focus expanded to include international conflicts, labor rights, and the struggles of marginalized communities around the world. Rustin believed that true peace could only be achieved through social and economic justice, and he dedicated his efforts to resolving conflicts and advocating for the rights of workers and marginalized groups. His work in labor rights was particularly significant, as he championed the cause of fair wages, safe working conditions, and the right to unionize, understanding that economic stability was a cornerstone of a just society. Rustin's compassion knew no bounds, and his dedication to uplifting the oppressed never wavered. He was a mentor and a guide to many, offering support and wisdom to those who sought to continue the fight for justice. His empathy and understanding made him a beloved figure among activists and communities alike. Rustin's ability to connect with people from all walks of life and his unwavering support for their struggles made him a beacon of hope and resilience. Though he faced numerous challenges throughout his life, Rustin's spirit remained unbroken. He encountered significant opposition, both from those who disagreed with his methods and from those who were threatened by his identity as a gay man. Despite these obstacles, Rustin's resolve never faltered. He continued to push forward, driven by a deep sense of purpose and an unshakable belief in the power of nonviolent resistance and the importance of standing up for what is right. He understood that the march towards equality was a marathon, not a sprint, and his commitment to that journey continued until his passing in 1987. Rustin's legacy is a testament to the enduring power of perseverance and the impact one individual can have on the world. His life's work serves as an inspiration to future generations, reminding us that the fight for justice is ongoing and that each of us has a role to play in creating a more equitable and compassionate society. Rustin's story is a powerful reminder that true change requires dedication, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to the principles of justice and equality.